So today we're doing a couple of quick jobs on the Ducati. First of which is sorting out a little bit of grease on the fuel tank hinge. God knows how long it's been done. It hasn't been done since I've had it, so I thought 5 seconds work. Let's quickly get that done. So I'll bring you around and show you that. The other job is to replace this switch gear, which I put on when I was running in the clip-on bars because I needed more space with the stock switch gear. So we're going to do that as well, and that should take a couple of minutes. So all in all, a couple of really quick jobs today. Should be nice and easy. So first of all, let's get some grease and some pliers, pop this out, and we'll get that sorted. Alright, so what you see here is this pin should just slot out. Simple R clip. Now there's a little washer on this side. It comes off. Now I should hopefully be able to just tap that through. Now what's going to be fun is, can I pull it all the way? Yeah. Hopefully that fuel tank isn't going to move too much. It doesn't. Good. So as you can see, it's pretty dry. Don't imagine that's been lubed up since the bike was new. So I'm going to do that quick. Unfortunately, the only grease I have is some high bearing grease, but we'll do the job. So quick dunk in that. So quick dunk. I'm expecting as I slide it through to grease the rest. So and this is where I struggle to get it back in again. Here we go. So that's gone through really easily. Now, where's that pin side? Let's rotate this till I can see the pin. Okay, pinhole. That's that in, so hopefully, yeah, it's nice and silent now. That was making a bit of a racket before. So that's step one of the job's done. I'll just give that a clean up, my finger, and we'll move on to the other side. So as I said, I got this switch gear on when I was running clip-on bars because I needed more bar space. Now I'm back to the regular bars. I've got plenty of space, and the indicator setup on it's being push on, push off annoys me. I much prefer the standard push to cancels. So what we're going to do is undo that, disconnect, and put the new one in, because I made a point of reusing the existing connector on the other side. So should be a plug and play job. First thing, this one's an Allen key to remove. That's one side. And now I just need to disconnect from down here. And that one's out. This one, however, is held on with screws, so I need to find where I put the screwdriver. Okay. If the screws come out, right. Now, hopefully I've left enough room. He says really optimistically. Oh, it does look like I have. Awesome. Okay, let's screw that in. And then the other side. Right, now all we got to do is root this back nicely. Which should be quite simple to make sure it doesn't catch anywhere. And then plugs in to the existing socket here. Which, if I remember rightly, was tight as hell to get in. That can't be in, surely. Okay, and that's that. So, indicators, let's just check everything works. So, lights are on, side lights, main beam. Indicator right, indicator left, and on. That's sorted. So as I say, a couple of jobs today. Realistically, that was annoying me every time I lifted the tank. And when I've been out riding, push to cancel, it's just so handy for me. So I want to get that done. Next up, I'll probably be addressing a bit more of the paintwork. I'd like to try and sort out the front mud guard and give that a repaint. Just kind of clean that up, and also still got to clean up all this front because the wiring there is just really starting to frustrate me. A few zip ties and a bit of rerouting on that will work wonders, but that's for another day. Right. Thanks very much.